This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a Wi-Fi repeater, or what they're calling a Wi-Fi range extender. And what is this thing? For a lot of people that don't know, this is something, say you got like a house that's got like multiple stories and you need to increase the width of your Wi-Fi signal, you would use a repeater, and basically the signal goes into this and it gets amplified out even further. So we'll go mostly through floors and gives it a little more power and range. Let me open this box up. You know, it's a very small box. Let me open this box up and show you exactly what you get with this thing. I've already used this. I took it down for the purpose of this video and put it back in the box. You've got a little set of instructions here, and then you got the unit itself. This thing will need to be plugged in, and there's two ways you can do this. You can use the Wi-Fi signal through here, and you could also use a Ethernet cable on the bottom. So there's like an in and out for the Ethernet cable. There's a reset button right there. You will have to go and download the app and set this up, and then you can kind of go through and adjust the signal for whatever you need to do. And it gives you a little set of instructions here. Pretty simple to set up. That's pretty much everything that's in the box. It's just this little unit right here. And then you hit this right here. If you need to do your code, you're going to type in your Wi-Fi password to set this up, and everything is demonstrated here. It will flash and let you know. You know, you got that little thing right there. I stuck it back on there so I could show y'all real quick. And then when you see it, you'll know that you're online. There's 2.4 G and then 5G. So it actually goes between the both of them when it kind of goes down through there. There it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Wi-Fi repeater, Wi-Fi extender, 300 megabytes. See you guys in the next video. Woo!